in the Ramayana, Uttarkand. Punya punja biru nelahi nasanta satsangati sanskriti kare anta Jai Ram Shri Ram How do we meet the true Guru? The saint? So, punya punja binu milahina santa. Punya means spiritual merit, great spiritual deeds. And punja means a huge amount. When we have acquired after many, many lifetimes, thousands and thousands of lifetimes, we've acquired a huge amount of spiritual merit. God showers His grace upon us, and we're able to meet the true Guru, the saint. Our Satsangati Sanskriti Kar Anta. And only when we associate with such a Guru, our attachment for the world will come to an end, and we'll be able to go to Bhagwan. Otherwise, impossible. So we have uncountable lifetimes we have met saints. I think we have seen Bhagwan. People think, oh, if I only see God, if I only see God one time. We have seen God. Not once, not twice, uncountable time. But, what happened? Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram. Ram, Siya Ram, Jai Jai Ram, Ram. जाकी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूर्ति देखी तीन कैसी बोला जाकी रही भावना जैसी प्रभु मूर्ति देखी दिन तैसी. Siraji Maharaj says, how we are on the inside, our heart, our mind, the condition of that, when we meet divine entity, God or a saint, it gets reflected, we see them the same way. In other words, if I'm a tamasic person, my heart, my mind is very dirty, and I meet God, even Bhagwan or a saint who's God personified. Oh, very bad man, very bad man. If I'm rajasic in nature, I love money, power, etc. Oh, I know he likes money, he's money man. You give a bad name. And if I'm sattvic in nature, I have good thoughts in my mind, I'm basically good, and I meet God or a saint, acha, nice man, good man, better than me but good, that's all. And God and the saint are beyond Sattva Gun, beyond Maya. That's why without the grace of God, no one can benefit from a saint. We meet them, but you're not going to recognize.